question says the Holy Temple. What is the spiritual significance of the three things in the holy place? Meaning a table of incense, the showbread, and the menorah.
It's what is significant. There is no short answer, so we have to take a look at Ramban, how he describes, or even there is beautiful books that Art Scroll published, with such amazing pictures about the temple, how the things looked and in its color, and there you will have an explanation, right? Simple explanation. This golden altar, right? This special significance of this frankincense, right? So that they would be born on a golden altar, and all of these things were. It's actually in accord. It was in a temple. So there is a temple. There is two things. One is a temple, and one is temple courtyard, and one is Holy of Holies. So Holy of Holies were separated by from the temple, like this that was surrounded by the wall, right? And then it was surrounded by the courtyard. Surrounded by the courtyard. So all of these three things, they actually were in this private enclosed area when only Kohanim were allowed to go, right? And I think only Kohen Gadol would light the menorah. At least no, actually everybody could light, but Kohen Gadol had a preference, precedence, which jobs he's going to do in a temple. Others would draw lots and then see who is assigned to what job, right? But special significance, it's we need to look. It's a long explanation, but it's very, very interesting. Yes. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.